how to turn on app protection and prevent viruses and malwares on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we scroll down, then tap on security and privacy. After that, scroll down and tap on app security. In here, tap on app protection, then tap on turn on, and then tap on turn on. This can help to prevent viruses and other malware apps installed on your phone. So if it is installed on your phone will automatically detect those viruses and malwares, and it will remove them automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Once you turn it on, you can tap on the scan for now button to perform the scan.